Hey guys, it is Ethan. Today I am playing Naruto. I played Stone 3, I played Stone 4, and I played Generations. So I hope you enjoy this video. So I'm gonna be Future Sasuke. And Naruto. Let's get into this. And my thing might turn off when I'm recording. Yeah? Yeah. Sorry guys. I'm back guys, sorry. So let's get into this. Alright. Hey, Saga, stop. Stop. Ow. I think that Naruto's actually a little weaker than Sasuke now. Because I don't like his attacks. Like this move, I don't like his special. And I don't like how he got his haircut. I like Sasuke's special a lot. So here we go. Ooh, 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 ooh. Come on, Sensuno. Come on, gotta get my Sensuno. I don't play like that, right? Now finish you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.